lovely viewers and my subscribers and everybody else. Last time out we were making these headlights. As you can tell, the video hasn't been out for a while because I'm just coming out of having that flu, wherever it is, been going around, so it's just coming off my chest now, so I haven't been well enough to come out here and make another video. And I don't know if you've noticed that some of these projects are like sort of finished. Well, that's because I gotta get the body back on the chassis to finish them up. Unfortunately, with winter and all where I am in the UK, we can't do that. Plus, it really needs to be on there for a long time, and I need, as you can tell, space. So I'm in the middle of sorting out a custom garage in my back garden. It's got to be made, so there will be a video of that coming out shortly. So yeah, I'm just stuck on space. Need the body back on the chassis to mount these lights, do the exhaust because all the exhaust stuff is in, do all the lights, everything else that's got to be done. What is it? Engine cover, boots, you name it. Loads of little things to finesse and get done, but like I say, we can't do it until the chassis and the body are back together as one. And so that's it. So I just thought I'd make this video to say I haven't forgotten about you guys. Video still will be coming out, but I do have to have that garage made for this to sit in and live for quite a bit. So well, I'm just waiting on that. So as soon as that's done, the sooner I can get back to you guys and make some more lovely videos for you all, because I know you're all anticipating some more videos coming out. And I gotta admit, me being ill for the last week or so, I really wanted to be out here making videos as well, because I miss talking to you guys and your feedback and all that lot, and I'm making the videos for you lot and for myself. It's yeah. So without further ado, I will leave you as that, and hopefully the next video I make will be a garage, custom garage being made especially for this car, which will be a big chunk of the money that I was hoping to spend on some of the bigger ticker items I need for this car. But it is what it is. Makes the build a little bit longer. Like, I was hoping to get it done by the end of this year. That's probably not going to happen now, so it's probably going to be next year sometime. Fingers crossed it all goes well. And I'm just in the background. I am doing stuff in the background, even though you don't see this behind the camera. 24/7 I am on the internet, scouring the internet for genuine Lamborghini parts, to be honest. And I've just found the heater matrix and all that lot for a Lamborghini countach. Genuine parts that I was lucky enough to get someone listed at the wrong price, and put it this way, I've had a big discount on it. So we got to make the heater matrix system and all that, the heaters and all for that. But I got original stuff, which is a plus. So yeah, just little things like that. I'm keeping my eye out all the time, every day, every little minute I get. Like, I'm on the internet scouring for genuine parts. Some parts that I really want haven't come up, which I'm hoping they do come up, and when I do, snap them up straight away. And maybe we'll make a video on all the genuine parts. I don't know. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, and we'll see you in the next video. So thanks a lot, people, and thanks for all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. I hope you're enjoying all the videos, and if you haven't, go back to the beginning and show when this car first turned up to where we are now, because we've come a long way, a really long way. And yeah, so nice to see you all in the next video, guys. Cheers for now.